You know, when I came to eXp, I interviewed a lot of people and saw what a fun culture this was. So I came for the math. I came for the commission, honestly. You know, I was a broker owner at Remax, but I was going to give Remax 5% on every transaction for the rest of my life. And that's a whole lot of money when you're selling 180 homes a year. eXp put a cap on that of 16,000 a year. That's life-changing in and of itself. But I didn't have a vision beyond that, other than, okay, there's a couple of other ways you can get paid. If something amounts to that, great. If not, that's okay too. At least I'm making more money on a commission deal, right? But I had no clue. I'm an influencer in my markets, and people called me up and said, Tim, why the heck you going to eXp? What are you thinking? Are you crazy? Like, no, I've studied this thing pretty excessively, and I'm the most anal retentive person I know on the planet. But I came for the commission. But little did I know, when I looked at my stock balance, I was like, holy crap, I had no idea. I mean, stock, when I came to the company, was $2, $3 a share on an adjusted split basis. We did just do a 2-for-1 stock split about a year and a half ago. But I said, holy crap. And because I was known and liked and trusted in my market, and a couple people called me and said, Tim, tell me about eXp. Why are you going to eXp? Why are all these people I'm seeing? There's like 6 of you this week in the Louisville, Kentucky market that moved to eXp. Why? I told them, they joined. One lady called me, and this exact conversation, talked to her for 90 minutes on the phone. She joined. She brought 10 people with her. That's one person on my first level, 10 people on my second level. I started getting paid on 11 people. I had no clue. Fast forward 4.5 years later, I'm getting paid on almost 300 agents in 4 countries and 22 states. I'm doing the same job I used to do at Remax, and ERA before that. I only got paid one way in those models.